Yo, what's going on, guys? I didn't post for a long time, but I'm gonna start posting some different videos. Actually, not that different. I used to make some eating videos, but post some more type of videos. I got some steak here, I got hot sauce here, and I'm gonna just review eating this steak that I got from grocery store in Canada. It's called Metro, and that's about it, guys. وانت بصي في اللابتوب بصي في اللابتوب. Yeah, I forgot to put my hot sauce, bro. So yeah.
فين؟
في جوز؟
في جوافة.
في بيبسي؟
لا، في جوافة. حلوة الجوافة، هات لي كوباية من هنا.
Mama, I think that wet cloth is like stinking up.
ماشي، بغسلها بكرة.
Guys, like honestly, that meat is a little bit tough, so I had to just go, like, it doesn't taste that bad, but I had to just go put some get some juice because it's really tough. I can barely chew it. That's called Gaffa juice, so you just gotta eat it. You gotta drink it. Alright. Let's take a second bite. Try to cut out the fat because I don't want to eat it. Alright, bro. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start posting more food type of content. I don't care about, that's the type of content I'm gonna make now. Food. And this is my favorite type of hot sauce, called Frank Reds. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour it all over.
Not too much.
Well, ليه not too much ليه انت
عشان ما تخشش
oh
الحمام.
my god, bro. Alright, bro. But yeah, guys, that was my video. Just wanted to review my steak, and that's about it. This is the juice that I was drinking, and that was about it, guys. I know this video is boring, but from now on, I'm gonna review some more food. Actually, I've been doing a lot of food reviews, but I've been doing them in like short form on TikTok. But yeah, I'm gonna post some clips of those videos on YouTube, and that's about it, bro. I'm just trying to get my subscribers back up. So see you guys soon.